What's up guys, Faisal here. So it has been more than 4 years since I used an Android phone as my primary device, but when Samsung launched the Galaxy S23 Ultra earlier this month, I was sure to turn it into my daily driver. I have been using the Galaxy S23 Ultra as my primary phone for nearly 20 days and absolutely love the experience it delivers. But I should expect that being an iPhone user for years, I did face some issues with the user interface initially, but eventually got used to One UI. Now at absolutely no point in time did the phone lag, also be it the camera performance or the battery life. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra ticks all the white boxes. The question is it worth the price? Samsung officially killed its Note series last year and that gave birth to the new Ultra design with S Pen support. Well, I cannot really see much use of the S Pen for regular user even today and feel that Samsung could simply get rid of it once and for all. Maybe in the next iteration, maybe not. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts the same design as its predecessor and comes in funky color options including green phantom black, lavender and cream. The one I am using right now is the classic green color option and it looks super premium to me. The S Pen though comes in black color with all variants. The S Pen sides right at the bottom and all you need to do is press on it and the pen will be at your device. I can feel the need to use S Pen as much. The only time I use S Pen was to click group selfies. As for the build, Galaxy S23 Ultra feels like a really solid device, so much so that it can take a beating too easily. I believe although Samsung tried its best to balance the overall weight of the Ultra, it still feels slightly heavy in the hands. With the weight and the wide form factor, using the Galaxy S23 Ultra with one hand can be quite a task. Now Samsung does not ship the Ultra with a back cover, so you will need to spend some more hundred or thousand on a protective cover. Now as I already said, one need to use the phone with both hands, especially people like me with smaller hands. I watch multiple YouTube videos and movies on Netflix and browse social media, and in all situations the Galaxy S23 Ultra offers great performance. Visual in most situations look punchy and sharp, which means you will love consuming content on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Another good thing is that even under harsh sunlight, around 70 brightness works very well and the screen looks quite bright. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is fantastic, but one on the latest Galaxy S23 Ultra is even better. Some try to camera performance. The Galaxy S23 Ultra clicks fantastic photos in almost all lighting conditions. In good light, the smartphone clicks photos with outstanding details and real-life colors. There are various camera modes that you can switch between, but I usually click photos without turning on any of the filter or modes. The Galaxy S23 Ultra takes photos that are Instagram friendly and do not require additional editing. Even in low light, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra does a great job. Photos clicked and limited lighting appear with pretty good details and also accurate colors. The good thing is the enhanced noise reduction technology helps with photos clicked in the tricky lighting, and the photos do not show much noise considering how powerful the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is great for multitasking as well as gaming. I play against Fortnite on the Ultra and it runs smoothly and at no point did the phone lag. However, long gaming season heat up the phone something, but it also cooled down pretty quickly. Be it switching between apps, will scroll mindlessly through social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter. The Galaxy S23 Ultra does not lag at any point in time. The Galaxy S23 Ultra also comes with improved speaker when compared to its predecessor. Software-wise, the smartphone runs on Samsung One UI 5.1 skin based on Android 13, which is pretty easy to use and does not come with unwanted ads or bloatware. There are a couple of third-party apps that the phone comes installed with, some apps which can be removed if needed. Just like the performance, the battery life of the Ultra delivers is excellent after use. If you have the money to spend on it, so how do you like the latest S23 lineup? Share your valuable experience in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the video, then subscribe to the channel. Will massive see you for the next time. Peace out.